Hello good people, this time video I would like to show you again, in case you missed it last time, about my favorite motion sensor Dusk light bulbs from Sengled. Well, I already proved it, how great quality they are, works at my porch, and now I would like to replace my mother-in-law's motion sensor light in her front yard. With that, I would like to show you the details of the package, then easier for you to install it. First is, this is a Sengled part 38 base. So this is so adjustable. And what else? This is inside. So because this is for outdoor, this is also include the other part. And of course, this is a manual installation step. Next is the motion sensor light itself. This is 2 packs. Manual instructions. It is 2 packs. 2 packs. Alright, without further ado, so let's install it. So here I am outside at my mother-in-law's front yard. So there is an old motion sensor light bulb that I want to replace. There.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering.
I have already the ground cable over here.
Longing to be seen. So come and hide with me.
Now they wore this white and white and black and black.
Barefoot on the grass, open skies. I can feel it every time I close my eyes. My eyes, yeah. Can you remember when we were young and free, like queens up on a throne? Never surrender, we're having too much fun. Could feel it in my bones. I was never
time to put the light bulbs. Let's test on it. Perfect. Curb power with high turn power too. Yeah. See, I walk toward the light. This is the left one on this side, and now I walk to the right. Hurrah! It works! Yay! Finally! Thank you, baby, for your help.
Oh, you're welcome, baby.
Ooh. So sensitive. I only walk it a little bit. And it's already on. Now I'm filming from here, from the road. Oops. It's really sensitive. I only walk just a little bit towards the motion sensor light, and it works.
It works.
Loving the attention, I feel we're so close. Building up tension till it's about to blow.